If you're trying to figure out which has better customizable invoices between FreshBooks and Xero, you've come to the right place. These two software solutions are among the most popular in the invoicing space, but there are some important differences in how customizable their invoices really are. By the end of this video, you'll know which one gives you more control over your invoices, and I'll share with you an alternative that might just blow both of them out of the water. Let's start with FreshBooks. When it comes to customization, FreshBooks does offer a fairly easy-to-use invoice design system. You can adjust things like the layout, colors, and logo placement. The platform also lets you add custom fields for things like discounts, taxes, or even notes. That said, it's still somewhat limited compared to other options, especially when it comes to the degree of flexibility in its design. The next thing to note is the templates. FreshBooks provides a handful of invoice templates, but again, you can't go too deep into customization. It's pretty straightforward, but if you're looking for something more unique or detailed, it could feel a little restrictive. You can add your brand's logo and customize the text, but the template structure is fairly rigid. Now, let's talk about Xero. Xero is known for offering a bit more flexibility when it comes to custom invoices. It has a greater variety of templates than FreshBooks and a more robust editor that allows you to customize invoices in more detail. For example, you can change fonts, adjust column widths, and rearrange elements with a bit more freedom. You can also include more custom fields, giving you a more tailored approach to invoices. The fourth thing worth mentioning is the invoicing workflow. Xero has a great feature where you can save and apply different invoice templates to different clients, which adds another layer of convenience when customizing. However, it still falls short in some areas. For instance, it doesn't have a drag and drop editor, which would really take things to the next level in terms of customization. One important thing to note with both of these platforms is that the ability to integrate with other systems and apps can really enhance your invoicing experience. FreshBooks integrates with tools like PayPal and Stripe for payments, while Xero has a wider range of integrations with other financial software. But neither offers that level of invoice customization that some other platforms do. Now, here's the kicker. While FreshBooks and Xero offer decent customization options for invoices, after trying both of them myself, I'd argue they still fall short of what some users might need, especially if you need a truly unique invoice. If you're looking for a better alternative, there's another software that offers way more customization, plus a free trial you can take advantage of by clicking the first link in the description below. So, while FreshBooks and Xero are great tools, they don't fully meet the needs of everyone when it comes to highly customizable invoices. If you want a better solution that truly delivers on that, I'd recommend you check out our exclusive link for a free trial with added benefits that only our viewers get.